Breaking news from Iceland. Authorities evacuated Grindavik's 4,000 residents. The eruption, following weeks of earthquakes, has propelled lava over 1,000 feet into the air. Iceland, situated on the boundary of the Eurasian and North American tectonic plates, is well acquainted with such dramatic geological events. A fissure extending about 2.2 miles in the Earth's surface underlines the immense scale of this eruption. The eruption is marked by bright lava fountains, creating a stark contrast against the dark Icelandic sky. Despite the volcanic activity, Reykjavik's Keflavik International Airport remains operational, albeit with some delays. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving